Hello and welcome to WKP. Today we're going to be tracking Hurricane Delta, which is starting to look a little better on satellite imagery, and we're going to be seeing the storm likely strengthen to a Category 3 by tomorrow morning. So we're going to be tracking this storm, looking at what it'll be like if this hits your area, and I'll be giving you my predictions for the storm starting right now. So here's the official track for the storm. As you can see, by tomorrow morning at 7 p.m., or tomorrow evening by 7 p.m., we're going to be seeing a major Category 3 hurricane out of this storm. And by 7 a.m. Friday, it'll still be a major Category 3. And luckily, before landfall, it'll start to weaken a little bit. Probably a strong Category 2 on landfall, but this really the effects are going to be the same, and we're going to see this thing stay a tropical storm as far as Mississippi. So it's going to be moving very, very fast, meaning that it'll stay stronger over more land for more time. We're going to be taking a look at the storm surge, which is going to be the worst thing with the storm. 7 to 11 feet in Vermilion Bay and 4 to 7 feet in Cameron. Even places as far as Mobile Bay and Port O'Connor could experience 1 to 3 feet of storm surge. There's a hurricane warning in Louisiana and part of Texas right now also. Here's the arrival times of wind, and this is very, very important because look at this. By Thursday, 8 p.m., you guys could experience some winds. These would probably be just light gusty winds, but you'd probably be getting those outer bands by then. And by Friday, 8 a.m., you'll probably be experiencing some stronger, more gusty winds. I would evacuate quite soon if you're in the path of this storm when it's going to make landfall or where it's going to be super strong, because it's going to be almost a Category 3 on landfall, we're suspecting, unless it pulls something funny on us like it did in the Caribbean. So we'll have to keep an eye on that, but I don't think we're going to see much difference with the intensity, though it will weaken before landfall. Here's the intensity guidance for the storm, and as you can see, we're going to be seeing a strong Category 2 or a Category 3. I think the peak intensity will be around 125 miles an hour, which is almost Category 4, but I don't think we'll see a Category 4 on landfall or a Category 3. Here's the tracks for the storm. The models are in really good agreement right now, and I can't say that I disagree. Watching some other YouTube channels, I learned that there's a high that's moving this storm in this general direction, and there's also another system up here that's causing it to basically go anywhere from Texas to around Cameron or to around Vermilion Bay, Louisiana. That's why these models are in such good agreement. The environmental factors are really pointing to an accurate landfall area that is quite easy for these models to predict. The hardest thing that's going to be to predict for this storm is the intensity. And I think personally that we're going to be seeing some bad effects in Louisiana where this landfall is going to occur. So please prepare if you live there and get ready to evacuate. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP. Stay tuned for more updates that will come soon.